Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on your Nissan Murano. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on so you can interact with the display screen. Next, find the Settings or Info button, usually near the main display. Press this button to open the main menu. From there, you'll need to navigate through the options until you find the clock or time setting. This is your starting point for making any adjustments. Once you're in the clock or time menu, select the option that says Set Time or Adjust Clock. You'll typically see the hour flashing or highlighted first. Use the arrow buttons, often labeled with up and down arrows, to increase or decrease the hour. After setting the correct hour, confirm your selection, and then the minutes will become adjustable. Repeat the process to set the precise minutes. After setting the hours and minutes, you might have an option to select your preferred time format, either a 12-hour or 24-hour display. If you choose the 12-hour format, double-check that the AM or PM indicator is accurate for the current time. This is a crucial step to avoid confusion. Finally, look for a Save or OK button to confirm and apply all your adjustments. Your Murano's clock should now be correctly set. For certain Nissan Murano models, especially those with navigation systems, the clock can automatically synchronize with GPS, eliminating manual adjustments. If you're unsure about your specific model's features, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly timed drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.